Sportsbet.io, where gaming meets crypto. In this video, we're going to learn how to place a bet and how to withdraw your winnings to MetaMask. If you haven't watched our video on how to open a Sportsbet account and fund it with crypto, then you can click the link below and watch that now. Firstly, head over to Sportsbet.io and log in. At the top of the page, you will see your available balance. There are plenty of sports to choose from, but for this example, we're going to place a bet on a soccer team. The odds for Bromley FC seem highly likely to me, so let's choose this one. Enter the amount you'd like to wager and click Place Bet. Your bet has now been placed, and you can see at the top that the amount has been deducted from your total balance. You can change the currency you'd like to bet with by selecting the currency. A pop-up will appear. Simply switch to the currency you prefer. You can also check your active bets by clicking here. Once the game is over and the results are official, Sportsbet will settle the bets. If you win, you will see a notification here. Click the bell icon to see your results. It looks like it's our lucky day. Now let's withdraw our winnings. Return to the homepage and click on your balance here. As you can see, our wallet is still connected. If your wallet is not connected, then you will need to do that now. For more information on how to connect your wallet, please watch our previous video titled How to Open a Sportsbet Account and Fund It with Crypto, linked in the description below. Now that our wallet is connected, let's click Withdraw. This icon represents our connected wallet, so let's click here. Now enter the amount you'd like to withdraw. For this example, let's select 100% and click Next. Double check your wallet address here and that the right network is selected for your token. I'm withdrawing Ethereum, so I should select the Ethereum network. Now click Preview Withdraw. You will then be shown all the details of the withdrawal. When you are happy they are all correct, click Confirm. You might need to enter your 2FA code if you have that enabled. Congratulations, your withdrawal has now been submitted to the blockchain. Your funds have now been sent to your wallet. So let's open our MetaMask wallet to check. And voila! We have made a bet successfully and withdrawn our funds to our DeFi wallet.